Hi guys, feeded pajamas. Bailey, good question. However, we have to learn to evaluate the child. If a child's had a lot of NICU time, pulse oximeters and so forth, if the feet are having mobility issues, if the pelvis is having issues with counter, all of these kind of things come into play. If you're more than a 10 on the newborn movement assessment, I would say no. Again, we have to keep the baby safe. So if a blanket's not a good idea and so forth, then yes. But I would almost go oversized on the pajamas versus undersized, so the feet can sit there and play with this. I can work on a person and put their glasses on their chest and they can't move. It's unbelievable how functional movement can be impaired by an inanimate object. Yes, like pajamas. So again, to just, and that's the thing with kiddos, with to just say a blanket statement and not look at the whole picture, that's where I get frustrated, because you can't just make a general statement. Is a child in containers a lot? You know what I mean? Are they already issues with mobilities? Are they spending more than an hour in a car seat a day? I can go on and on where you're going to have mobility issues in the feet. If you have mobility issues in the feet, I'm going to tell you right now, the child won't be able to come to sitting through their backs. They're not going to go into all fours. They're going to crawl asymmetrically just because of foot positioning. And so I don't want the development issues, but I don't, we can't just, leave them down and have them sleep naked. I get it. We have diapers. We have all of this. Were they premature? So again, it's about assessing the child and knowing, and first by doing the newborn movement assessment and going from there and where they are with their milestone momentum and their developmental chart. Are you charting them up through this time? Is everything on track? The tools are out there. It's just that I've got to get people to use them, so they're not just assuming everything's okay. And then 10 months from now, I shoulda, coulda, woulda. And again, is that a deal breaker per se? No, it's the accumulation. Thanks.